In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide Copilot in a notebook to analyze files, draft content, surface insights, and generate audio. We'll start by shaping Copilot's behavior so it consistently responds the way you want. In the notebook, add clear custom instructions that set its role and tone and format. For example, you might say, act as a marketing expert, respond in a professional tone, and use bullet points. Think of this like setting the house rules. Once defined, Copilot uses them as a baseline for all replies in that notebook. Keep these instructions short, specific, and goal-oriented. If the results feel off, refine the wording and try again. Small phrasing tweaks can make a big difference. Next, ask questions that direct Copilot to analyze your files. A good prompt is, summarize the Q3 sales report and key actions from meeting notes. Be explicit about what matters most, such as trends, outliers, or deadlines. If your files have similar names, include the exact titles to avoid confusion, and specify the level of detail you need, brief overview or deep dive. You can also request structured outputs, like a short paragraph followed by a list of action items, while still respecting the custom instructions you set earlier. When you're ready to create content, have Copilot draft documents strictly from the sources you trust. Ask, draft a project proposal using the product brief and customer feedback. Emphasize that it should use only those references. This helps keep the draft accurate and on message. If needed, ask Copilot to include quotes or cite sections by file name and heading so you can quickly verify where each point came from. To get deeper insights, ask focused questions. Try, what are the main themes in employee feedback? You can request categories, supporting examples, and a brief explanation for each theme. If you're comparing time periods or teams, mention that context so Copilot groups insights appropriately. Concise targeted prompts yield clearer takeaways you can act on immediately. Finally, turn your written materials into audio so you can listen on the go. Ask Copilot to create an audio overview or a short podcast from your documents. Specify length, tone, and audience. For example, a 2-minute executive summary with a confident, friendly delivery. This is especially useful for busy stakeholders who prefer quick briefings. That's it. By setting strong instructions, asking precise questions, drafting only from trusted references, extracting focused insights, and generating audio, you'll get reliable, actionable results from Copilot in your notebook.